I plan to learn programming.
I plan to learn programming.
I want to be a programmer after graduation.
I want to be a programmer after graduation.
He will probably follow in his father's footsteps.
He will probably follow in his father's footsteps.
As soon as he comes, we'll let him know.
As soon as he comes, we'll let him know.
She will go into business when she likes to.
She will go into business when she likes to.
She will certainly remain single.
She will certainly remain single.
He intends to start up with his friends.
He intends to start up with his friends.
I'll leave for New York if I finish my work today.
I'll leave for New York if I finish my work today.
I'll work for 4 years and then go back to school.
I'll work for 4 years and then go back to school.
I hope he will meet me at the airport.
I hope he will meet me at the airport.
I'm thinking of quitting the job.
I'm thinking of quitting the job.
What do you say we have a party this weekend?
What do you say we have a party this weekend?
If it doesn't rain tomorrow, we'll have a picnic.
If it doesn't rain tomorrow, we'll have a picnic.
You should have studied much harder.
You should have studied much harder.
What does your father do?
What does your father do?
He is a lawyer.
He is a lawyer.
He has his own office.
He has his own office.
Do you have any plan for your career?
Do you have any plan for your career?
My cousin was promoted last month.
My cousin was promoted last month.
I want to be a doctor if possible.
I want to be a doctor if possible.
I hope that I can get a decent job with a good salary.
I hope that I can get a decent job with a good salary.
I have an interview next week.
I have an interview next week.
He is a manager of a famous corporation.
He is a manager of a famous corporation.
I like writing, but I wouldn't take it as my career.
I like writing, but I wouldn't take it as my career.
I worked as an intern in that firm last summer.
I worked as an intern in that firm last summer.
He made a successful career in business.
He made a successful career in business.
What are you interested in?
What are you interested in?
How do you spend your evenings?
How do you spend your evenings?
What are your interests?
What are your interests?
Do you have any hobbies?
Do you have any hobbies?
I often go skiing in winter.
I often go skiing in winter.
Does his film appeal to you?
Does his film appeal to you?
Photography is an expensive hobby.
Photography is an expensive hobby.
What do you do in your spare time?
What do you do in your spare time?
Do you go on picnics?
Do you go on picnics?
I particularly like English literature.
I particularly like English literature.
She has a particular interest in painting.
She has a particular interest in painting.
He plays the piano just for enjoyment.
He plays the piano just for enjoyment.
What's your favorite music?
What's your favorite music?
Do you often go to a concert?
Do you often go to a concert?
I have never heard the piece before. Who wrote it?
I have never heard the piece before. Who wrote it?
Do you like pop music?
Do you like pop music?
I hate rock music. It's too noisy.
I hate rock music. It's too noisy.
What do you think of their skill?
What do you think of their skill?
He has a passion for literature.
He has a passion for literature.
What do you think about this poem?
What do you think about this poem?
Do you like traveling?
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I've just come back from Canada.
Yes, I've just come back from Canada.
Why did you go there?
Why did you go there?
I went there on business.
I went there on business.
How did you get there?
How did you get there?
I got there by plane.
I got there by plane.
Where did you visit?
Where did you visit?
I only had time to visit Toronto.
I only had time to visit Toronto.
How did you like it?
How did you like it?
It's fantastic.
It's fantastic.
And do you have friends there?
And do you have friends there?
Yes, a lot of friends.
Yes, a lot of friends.
Yes, and I took many pictures.
Yes, and I took many pictures.
Please let me see them.
Please let me see them.
You must have enjoyed yourself.
You must have enjoyed yourself.
What's your favorite sport?
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite winter sport is skiing.
My favorite winter sport is skiing.
Our team beat their team yesterday.
Our team beat their team yesterday.
My class went camping last summer.
My class went camping last summer.
We are sure to defeat them.
We are sure to defeat them.
How many years have you been playing tennis?
How many years have you been playing tennis?
I like football.
I like football.
He is good at table tennis.
He is good at table tennis.
The basketball championship is exciting.
The basketball championship is exciting.
I was on the track team 5 years ago.
I was on the track team 5 years ago.
I prefer swimming to fishing.
I prefer swimming to fishing.
She is a member of the snowboard club.
She is a member of the snowboard club.
I lost the game yesterday.
I lost the game yesterday.
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home.
I'm very proud of you.
I'm very proud of you.
We are in the same boat.
We are in the same boat.
Everything tastes great.
Everything tastes great.
You have a good sense of humor.
You have a good sense of humor.
Your English has poor pronunciation.
Your English has poor pronunciation.
You piss me off.
You piss me off.
He is the happiest man alive.
He is the happiest man alive.
What about having a hamburger first?
What about having a hamburger first?
Don't be so modest.
Don't be so modest.
What's your goal in life?
What's your goal in life?
He found my lecture interesting.
He found my lecture interesting.
Don't let this get you down.
Don't let this get you down.
You've got a great personality.
You've got a great personality.
I want to have a part-time job.
I want to have a part-time job.
It's a secret between you and me.
It's a secret between you and me.
You are kidding.
You are kidding.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
When is the most convenient time for you?
When is the most convenient time for you?
I'm fed up.
I'm fed up.
Your company is very impressive.
Your company is very impressive.
That's disgusting.
That's disgusting.
You did a good job.
You did a good job.
Get out of my face.
Get out of my face.
What are you up to?
What are you up to?
I can manage.
I can manage.
You mustn't aim too high.
You mustn't aim too high.
Tomorrow never comes.
Tomorrow never comes.
You're really talented.
You're really talented.
Who do you think you are?
Who do you think you are?
My mouth is watering.
My mouth is watering.
What's your job?
What's your job?
Whatever I said, he'd disagree.
Whatever I said, he'd disagree.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
You shouldn't have done that.
You shouldn't have done that.
He fell behind with his work.
He fell behind with his work.
Are you insane?
Are you insane?
She hired a car by the hour.
She hired a car by the hour.
Cut it out.
Cut it out.
Thanks for your cooperation.
Thanks for your cooperation.
She is a composer for the harp.
She is a composer for the harp.
How often do you eat out?
How often do you eat out?
You'd better look before you leap.
You'd better look before you leap.
You make me sick.
You make me sick.
What do you do for relaxation?
What do you do for relaxation?
What a shame.
What a shame.
You are just in time.
You are just in time.
Take my word for it.
Take my word for it.
What shall we do tonight?
What shall we do tonight?
Time is money.
Time is money.
The same to you.
The same to you.
My parents want me to go abroad.
My parents want me to go abroad.
He has been sick for 3 weeks.
He has been sick for 3 weeks.
I go to school by bike every day.
I go to school by bike every day.
You're a jerk.
You're a jerk.
I count you as one of my friends.
I count you as one of my friends.
Fasten your seat belt.
Fasten your seat belt.
I have a large collection of books.
I have a large collection of books.
That's okay.
That's okay.
When was the house built?
When was the house built?
Where's the restroom, please?
Where is the restroom, please?
He has a large income.
He has a large income.
This pen doesn't write well.
This pen doesn't write well.
You need to work out.
You need to work out.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
He had a good many friends here.
He had a good many friends here.
Brush your teeth thoroughly.
Brush your teeth thoroughly.
Another cat came to my house.
Another cat came to my house.
I'll have to try that.
I'll have to try that.
What's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of this?
Mr. Smith is fixing his bike.
Mr. Smith is fixing his bike.
Why did you stay at home?
Why did you stay at home?
You look nice in that color.
You look nice in that color.
The food is delicious.
The food is delicious.
I caught the last bus.
I caught the last bus.
Lying and stealing are immoral.
Lying and stealing are immoral.
That depends.
That depends.
There is no doubt about it.
There is no doubt about it.
I lost the door key about here.
I lost the door key about here.
He is about 6 feet high.
He is about 6 feet high.
What are your plans for the weekend?
What are your plans for the weekend?
I don't want to see your face.
I don't want to see your face.
You have a very successful business.
You have a very successful business.
What happened to you?
What happened to you?
I feel like eating an ice cream.
I feel like eating an ice cream.
How late are you open?
How late are you open?
Where have you been?
Where have you been?
He is respectful to his elders.
He is respectful to his elders.
I envy you very much.
I envy you very much.
We'll see.
We'll see.
We are divided in our opinions.
We are divided in our opinions.
We all desire happiness.
We all desire happiness.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
A red tie will match that suit.
A red tie will match that suit.
This boy has no job.
This boy has no job.
Don't be so childish.
Don't be so childish.
The eggs are sold by the dozen.
The eggs are sold by the dozen.
Thanks for the warning.
Thanks for the warning.